Every single person I've shared this activity to was skeptical the first time. Then they've tried it and they changed their mind. They all came back saying the same thing. Participants were still talking about the activity weeks after the workshop. That's the power of the Gratitude Poncho. It's the best activity to close a workshop, especially team retreat. I've tried it thousands of times with corporate clients, NGOs, startups, and it always works, leaving a big smile on the face of the participants. So the video you're about to watch, it's coming from my online training, the Workshop Design Mastery. I'm sharing it here because this is the best explanation I put together for this activity. So if you want your client to remember you long after the workshop, make sure to use the Gratitude Poncho because it won't just close the session on a high note, it will create a strong memory they won't forget. And that's priceless. So enjoy the video. So what you're gonna do is basically make people create a poncho with a flip chart paper, and they will need to write down on the back of their colleagues some nice words about them. I really enjoy working with Mark because he's always smiling. You see, something like that. Now let's move on how you can facilitate this activity. So now you need to take a flip chart paper, which I don't have here. So I took like a big sticky note, and you're going to give one to each of the participants. You're not going to tell them what's going to happen. They need to follow your instructions on the spot. You show them the flip chart paper, and then you ask them to fold it in two. All right? And then another time in two. Which means you fold the flip chart paper twice. So once you're done with the folding, you will have something like this. So what you want to do now is to take the center of the paper and cut a corner that is big enough so that you can put your head in it. Now you can put it on and you end up like this. Then you can invite participants to write appreciation on the back of their colleagues. Let's take back the example of Mark. Mark, I really enjoy working with you. You're always smiling. And don't put your name on it. It will make it way more fun. What you're gonna see during the activity is actually a lot of people writing on each other's back, having fun, smiling, because it's a really cool activity. So make sure to use a lot of colors. And once participants are done, invite them to go back to their seat, to sit down, and now they can discover the magic by removing the Gratitude Poncho. And then the magic happens. You will see smiles on the faces of people and sometimes even tears. I'm not even kidding. One last tip. If some people are wearing white shirts, they may be scared that the marker is going to bleed on their shirt. It never happens. The flip chart papers have been designed for that, so don't worry. Tell them that you've run the activity hundreds of times and it never happened. If you enjoyed today's video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel if you want more facilitation tips, and if you want activities that you can use using the 60 framework, go to theworkshopdev.com or scan the QR code and you will discover activity that has been designed by the best facilitators out there. I'm talking about Disa Corano, Team Lead, Jan Kek, and sometimes myself. So see you soon. Bye-bye.